Assalamualaikum. Today I will present to all of you about iterative and incremental development. Iterative development. Iterative model finishes in an attack and fixed period that is called iteration. The final output of the project renewed at the end of the software development life cycle. Each module goes through the requirement analysis, design, development, testing, implementation, and maintenance. First of all, requirement analysis. In this phase, requirements are gathered from customer and checked by an analysis whether requirement will fulfill or not. Next, design. In the design phase, team design the software by the different diagram like data flow diagram, activity diagram, class diagram, or state translation diagram. Development. After completing all the phases, software is developed to its work environment. Next, testing. Software testing starts using different test methods after coding. There are many test methods like whiteboard, blackboards, and grayboards. Implementation. Requirements are written in the coding language and transformed. And the last one, maintenance. After deployment, there may be some bugs, some errors, or new updates required. So, when to use the iterative model? Firstly, where requirements are defined clearly and easy to understand. Second, when there is a requirement of change in future. And the last one, when the software application is large. Advantages of iterative model. Firstly, testing and debugging during smaller iteration is easy. Secondly, a parallel development can plan. Thirdly, it is easily acceptable to ever-changing needs of the project. For the advantages of iterative model, it is not suitable for smaller projects. More resources may be required. Last one, design can be changed again and again because of imperfect requirement. Incremental development. Incremental model is a process of software development where requirement divided into multiple standalone module of the software development cycle. Each module goes through the software requirement, design and development, testing, and implementation phase. Firstly, requirement analysis. In the first phase of the incremental model, the product analysis expertise identifies the requirement and the system functional requirements are understood by the requirement analysis team. To develop the software under the incremental model, this phase performs a crucial role. Secondly, design and development. The design of the system functionality and the development method are finished with success. When software develops new practicality, the incremental model uses style and development phase. Thirdly, testing. The testing phase checks the performance of each existing function as well as additional functionalities. In the testing phase, the various methods are used to test the behavior of each task. Lastly, implementation. Implementation phase enables the coding phase of the development system. It involves the final coding that's designed in the designing and development phase and tests the functionalities in the testing phase. So, when we use the incremental model, firstly, a project has a lengthy development schedule. Secondly, when software teams are not very well skilled or trained. Thirdly, you can develop desired requirement first. And the last one, when the requirements are superior. Advantages of incremental model. Firstly, easier to test and debug. Secondly, more flexible. And the last one, simple to manage risk because it handled during its iteration. Disadvantages of incremental model: needs for good planning, total cost is high, and well-defined module interface are needed. That's all from me. Thank you.